everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working with hashes. So first of all, we're just going to do a simple create a hash. So that's going to be, I call it hash elements. So what we're going to do here is create a hash using the my word and this little sigil here, and we're going to call the hash elements, and then we're going to use this here, and we're going to add some elements into the hash. So Dave, the key, I'll assign that to, let's say, his age, which could be 43, and then we're going to have Bill. Bill, assign him an age, which could be 55. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print out these elements. Let's actually call it, so this is going to be hash elements. So let's call the program. Type in here Raku test.raku, hit enter. There you go. There's the hash. We've got Bill 55, Dave 43. Okay, we'll just clear that. And I'm going to do another one. I'm going to call it number of elements here. So that's going to be number of elements. Okay, we're going to keep those elements there. So I'm going to print out the number of elements in this hash. So first of all, we just present the hash. Dot short for elements here. Okay. We're going to have to put say there because we want to print it out. Let's run it. Okay, so it's saying that we've got two elements in this hash. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope that's been helpful to you. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscription button below. And make sure you turn on the bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss a video from this channel. And I will catch you in another one. Bye-bye.